Hello, I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create the content. A content refers to an element or component used to display and present the main information or material on a web page or application. It can be a paragraph, text block, image, or any other visual or interactive element that communicates information to the user effectively. Content components play a crucial role in user experience design as they help organize and convey information in a clear and engaging manner. By using appropriate contents, designers can enhance readability, hierarchy, and overall user engagement with the interface. The content component provides an easy-to-use content area with some useful methods to control the scrollable area. There should only be one content in a single view. Now let's create the prototype. First, drag and drop a heading. Change its size to 26 and the text to heading 1. Duplicate it. Change the size to 24 and the text to heading 2. Duplicate it again. Change the size to 22 and the text to heading 3. Repeat this process for heading 4 with size 20, heading 5 with size 18, and heading 6 with size 16. Drag and drop a paragraph. Modify its text. Duplicate the page and rename it to header and footer. Drag and drop a rectangle to create the header. Enter header as the text and adjust its style. Set its fill color to a semi-transparent gray. Create it as a dynamic panel and pin it to the top left of the browser. Duplicate the header. Pin it to the bottom left of the browser. Enter footer as the text. Duplicate the page. Delete unnecessary elements. Modify the title text and fill the paragraph with text. Set its height to exceed the screen height. Then fill the paragraph with text again. Preview the prototype. You can scroll the content up and down. Duplicate the page and rename it to fixed content. Delete the header and footer. Then drag and drop a button. Adjust its corner radius. Change the text to normal button and adjust its style. Duplicate the button and place it on the right side of the screen. Change the text to fixed button. Create it as a dynamic panel and pin it to the center right position of the browser. Preview the prototype. You will see the button in the middle fixed to the right side of the screen. Duplicate the page and rename it to scroll. Modify the title text. Change the button text to scroll to bottom and adjust its size. Delete the button on the right side. Duplicate the top button. Change the text to scroll to top. Add a click interaction to the top button to scroll to the bottom button with a linear animation of 200 milliseconds. Then add a click interaction to the bottom button to scroll to the top button. Here, we need to modify the interaction of the top button. Select the bottom button correctly. Preview the prototype. When you click the top button, it should scroll to the bottom button. When you click the bottom button, it should scroll to the top button. Duplicate the page and rename it to theming. Delete unnecessary elements. Then drag and drop a rectangle and bring it to bottom. Change the text of heading 1 to primary content. Drag and drop a paragraph. Modify its text. Set the color of the rectangle to primary and change the color of the text above it to white. Group them together. Duplicate the component. Modify the text. Then change the color of the rectangle to secondary. Repeat this process to create more items. Duplicate the page and rename it to custom. Copy the elements from the basic page. Go back to the custom page and paste the elements. Change the page fill color to red. Change all the text to white. Preview the prototype. You will see the custom page and text. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.